Welcome to in front of me XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, to do that, you should open the top bar here, and to add, remove, or just to change the position of some icons, you should click here on the edit icon, and you can see that's here that we can just add some icons, these 5 new icons to our new top bar here, just by click on this plus icon on the right upper corner by this way. And just to remove some icons from our notification panel, we should click here once again on the minus icon on the right upper corner. Then just by click to done, we can see here the changes. And to change the position of the icons by the same way, hold the icon and drag it, for example here, or just by this way. So as can you see, that's really simple. And then just to say the changes, click here to done, and you will see here the new look of our tab bar. So that's it, that's how to edit notification panel shortcuts on our XIAOMI 12X. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.